you up to today, Bunnings?
Oh, trying to sort out a privacy issue.
Okay, tell me about it.
My daughter's bedroom has got a small balcony on it.
Okay.
And then we've got kind of the neighbour's patio doors right onto it as well, so it kind of looks straight into her bedroom.
Now, these guys are fantastic. I personally love these, and I love this patina look here as well. Now, we've seen a couple of really good options. I think this screen-up sort of product is ideal for you.
Okay.
This would fix straight on top of the brick wall, and then the slats, just like this, sit between them.
Okay, so it is as easy as it says on there then. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, I like that. Yes, exactly. Okay, so you've got the sun, the fresh air, and a beautiful view.
Yep.
But you can't really utilise it because of lack of privacy. But I'm happy about the fact that that screen up, I reckon, is the perfect choice for there. And that's a pretty easy fix, I reckon.
To get our screen started, we need to secure our vertical posts.
Clamp this in place.
Step 1 is as easy as clamp, level, then mark up. Now we're ready for the drilling.
Okay.
Fill up a little bit.
Yeah,
And just
ready?
gently squeeze the trigger. Just stop for a sec.
Yep.
I can see you just trying to muscle it up. Never try and overpower a power tool. Just let it do the work and take as much time as it needs to get the job done.
Okay.
First thing is to drill the pilot holes for the posts. Then we use a thicker drill bit to finish the holes.
You're getting very confident, and I love that. If you need me, call me. You're on your own.
Okay.
Equipped with her newfound DIY skills, Gina rips through stage 1 of setting up her privacy screen. She's secured the vertical posts, so now the timber slats can go in.
Gina, how'd you go? Wow, you went really well, didn't you?
Well, it looks pretty good, doesn't it?
Look at the smile on your face.
I know.
You've styled it all up. You're ready for the little one to start using. I can see that.
Oh, she's going to love it.
Do you love it?
I love it. It has totally fixed that privacy issue.
It's like it was meant to be.